Hey guys, welcome back to Detail with Passion. Today we're going to walk you through some of IGL's interior coatings. Right, so we have three coatings from the IGL interior system: IGL Leather, IGL Trim, and IGL Fabric. Now we're going to walk you through the install and application. So before we go on to our coatings, we're going to be using IGL Interior to prep the surfaces.
IGL EcoClean Interior is a readily biodegradable formula that wipes clean with zero sticky residue, leaving interiors fresh and matte. It's a pH-balanced interior cleaner. The bioester boost cuts greasy buildup fast. It's a low VOC formula with readily biodegradable surfactants, no NPEs, no ammonia. It leaves a natural, non-sticky finish with no artificial shine. It's fabric and leather safe for surfaces with all textiles and porous leathers. You can use this for upholstery and carpets, leather and vinyl, dashboard and door cards, headliners, child seats and footwells. Now our surfaces are ready for coatings. We're starting off with IGL Trim. IGL Trim revitalizes and protects your vehicle's plastics, rubbers, and trims. Its advanced graphene formula deeply penetrates and nourishes surfaces, restoring the original color while creating an ultra-durable, hydrophobic barrier that repels water, dirt, and contaminants. Whether it's for interior or exterior trim, rubber seals, or unpainted plastics, Trim delivers a sleek, non-greasy finish. Trim is designed for both new and weathered surfaces, giving up to 2 years for protection. Here's a quick restoration of using Trim on a faded exterior. Now we move on to IGL's EcoCoat Leather. This reduces maintenance and makes cleaning easier. It also works to prevent stains from spills or unwanted dye transfers, not to mention enhancing the durability of the surface, making it more resistant to wear and tear. Pigmented leathers are the most commonly used commercial leathers in the upholstery of vehicles. Wearing out leathers is easy from scratches and abrasions over time, especially the driver's seat. Heat and moisture levels will also play a role in deterioration of the leather. And that's where IGL's EcoCoat Leather comes in, reducing deterioration and prolonging your leather's durability. And lastly, we're moving on to IGL Fabric. IGL Fabric has higher solids than typical fabric sprays. With a breathable, zero plastic film, fabric stays soft and comfortable. It's color safe and UV stable. Water, coffee, mud bead right off. Cleanup seems to be effortless. And now a quick recap.
IGL Leather is perfect for your leather protection, whether it's on car, at home, in your office. It's perfect to protect your leather from stains, any sort of food stains, liquid stains. It also helps it stay softer for longer and basically just prolong the life of your leather. IGL's leather coating lasts up to 1 year. Now moving on to IGL Trim. IGL Trim previously had a formula that only works for the exterior of the vehicle. Now it actually is perfect for interior and exterior. IGL Trim would protect your vehicle's plastics, dashboard, doors from fading, stains, and just makes it generally easier to clean. IGL Trim actually lasts up to 2 years. Lastly, onto IGL Fabric. This coating lasts up to 1 year, protecting any fabric, upholstery, whether it's in your vehicle or at home. Pretty simple to apply and keeps it protected from any liquids, stains, and just makes cleaning a breeze. A quick note, just to prep before any of IGL's interior coating system, IGL has IGL Interior Cleaner, which cleans both fabric and leather. So whether it's for your seats, dashboard, or doors, IGL Interior does everything for you. Alright guys, so that was it for the interior coating system. However, IGL has a number of other interior products that we would like to show you today. So starting off with IGL Dash. This is the interior dashboard protectant, which usually lasts up to 6 months. It leaves a pretty nice matte finish, as well as UV protection, and also little to no residue. Moving on to IGL's leather conditioner. Simple and easy to apply, and add UV protection for up to 4 months. Now on to IGL's Interior Detailer. This is perfect for maintenance. So whether your vehicle has a ceramic coating or not, this is perfect to use maybe every 2 weeks. This provides light cleaning without stripping away any protection on your vehicle. Lastly, we have IGL Air. Simple to use, it eliminates odors while leaving a nice pleasant smell. Just a quick note, all of these products are organic and contain little to zero VOCs. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. This was IGL's Interior Coating System. This is Detail with Passion. See you next time.